Hi everyone! Today we're talking about heat pump noise and when it's normal versus when you should call for help. First, soft humming or whooshing sounds are completely normal and indicate your heat pump is running as it should. However, loud banging or grinding noises are not typical and could mean there's a loose part or motor issue that needs professional attention. If you hear clicking sounds that won't stop, it could be an electrical problem, and it's best to call an expert right away. For any unusual noises, trust Gutierrez Brothers HVAC to diagnose and fix the issue. For more HVAC tips and informative videos, please follow us, like, and share this video.